Hi guys, it's Willie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys might be like, Willie, where the fuck have you been? And some of you guys might follow me on like Instagram or TikTok and you know where I've been this whole entire time. I'm not dead, don't worry. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my coffee at home because I've seen a lot of people make videos like this where they make their coffee at home. And sometimes I try the recipes and it tastes absolutely fucking disgusting. So the first thing you are going to want to go in with is the stock cold brew. Just mix it up depending on what I'm doing for my coffee. So the one that I'm using today is the not too sweet black. Sometimes I use like the creamed one, I don't know. But it just has like a little bit of sugar in it and I believe it's vegetarian. I don't know. I don't think it has any dairy in it. But what I do is I pour it we're gonna pour it most of the way into the coffee cup. Probably about to like right here. We're gonna fill it up with coffee. Maybe a little bit more will like dump out because I don't want that much in there because I am adding more coffee in. So like about to like right there is where you want your coffee. Okay, because sometimes if I had a black one with no sugar in it, but sometimes when I don't have when I don't have this, I use this Planet O oat milk creamer, which is the caramel flavored. It tastes so good. It tastes way better than all of the like dairy creamers because dairy creamers makes it taste disgusting. But we're gonna be using because I love this. This makes it taste so good and it has espresso in it. I really recommend getting this. I don't know how much it is. I think it's like expensive, but
get it.
They also have like different flavors. It tastes so good. Okay. So I think does this say shake well? I don't remember. We're gonna shake it. So we're gonna get that, and then we're gonna pour it like all the way up until it gets to like about here. Sorry, I'm not giving you any accurate measurements. Okay. Pour it all the way up until it gets there. It's the caramel macchiato one. And then, this is where it gets optional. Now, half and half. I love putting half and half in my drink because it makes it sweeter. So, I only put like a couple drops in. And then, this is your coffee. Like, look at it. So that is my personal coffee recipe. But I'm going to turn it around and you're gonna watch me mix it and then I'm gonna like leave. This was a 3-minute long video. But that's literally the coffee recipe for you, sis. There's really nothing else to do. What can I do? Oh, I have a metal straw. Let's see. So this is my Starbucks cup. This is my metal straw. Proud. Oh, it's sticky. Okay. I'll turn the camera around for you. So that was how I made my coffee at home. Very short, very simple, I don't know why there's bitches that overcomplicate this. Like, it's really not that hard. Like, you really don't need to froth your coffee. Like, I'm being honest with you. No one in real life froths their coffee. This is how real people make their coffee. They get a Stocks, they get a fucking this, and then they put it in a cup with maybe some creamer, and then you're done. It's not that hard. Like, I really don't know why every bitch is overcomplicating their iced coffee at home. Because it's not Starbucks at home, bitch. That's not what it is. You're at home. So, act like it, okay? So, that's what we're doing. We're done. We're done. This tastes like a caramel swirl iced coffee. And you know what? With less work. Because when you go to, like, fucking Dunkin', they have to put in, like, a whole bunch of work making your fucking coffee. That's not what we're here to do. So, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll see you the next time I upload, which will probably be very soon because I have a whole list of video ideas that I'm going to be doing. And I just got a laptop so I can make those happen. So, I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you next time.